Hey everyone, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and today we're going to go into Canva because I have created a dad template. Y'all know Father's Day is almost here. Actually, it's in about 3 weeks. Father's Day is Sunday. I think it's June the 21st, 2026. So I have created a dad template, y'all, and I wanted to show you how to use it. And make sure you go over to my website and grab this template because we all know that we have to make sure that dad is taken care of, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and just show you how to use this template. Make sure you go over to my website again and grab it. There's also going to be a t-shirt template bundle that's going to be over my website also. Now, I'm uploading this video today, which is Monday, and I'm going to come back on Thursday and show you how to print it out and how to add it to a Tumblr. Okay, so I'm going to be giving this to my husband for Father's Day, and I wanted to show you how to do it. So make sure you go ahead and follow along with me. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you. All right. All right. So now we're going to share my screen. Okay, so as you see right here, this is the dad template, the one that I have created. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to take this template and drag and drop pictures that you want inside of this template. So there's three actual letters here, which is DAD, and you can drag three different photos into these different templates. So let me go over to the left-hand side and go down to uploads. Now, I have some pictures here of my oldest daughter. I have to add some new pictures of my twins, but we're just gonna just add the pictures of my oldest, and then we would come back on Thursday and we print this out. Then I have the pictures of my twins in here also. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start with this picture right here. This is one of her senior pictures. So I'm just gonna take this one and I'm gonna drop it into the first D and dad right here. So as you see, when you first drop your pictures in here, it may or may not look the way that you want it to look because as you see, you cannot see her face. And I don't want that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to double click on it and I'm going to drag it to position it the way that I want it to be. Okay, so I want her face. You can either put it here on the left or you can drag it over a little bit to put on the right hand side of the D. So I'm just going to drag it over to the right and I'm going to position it right there in that area. Okay, so let me go down just a little bit. And I think I want it right there. So let me click it off. And y'all see how that looks? All right. I love this. So I'm going to keep it just like this. So now we're going to move on to the A and dad. So I'm going to go back over to uploads and I'm going to find another picture. So I'm going to choose this one here. And this one here was one of the ones that we went and took for her graduation, her high school graduation. So I'm just going to drag it here into the letter A. And as you see, when I drag this picture into the letter A, it actually looks amazing. But I still want to bring it up a little bit. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to use this little arrow button. You see this arrow here and just drag it up just like this or pull it up. And I just want to position it kind of like in the middle. Um, let's see, I want to make it a little closer so you can see her face a little bit more. So this is how I want it to look, just like this. Okay, so I'm going to click off of it, and there it is, y'all. Absolutely amazing. I love that one. So now we want to work on this last D in dad. So I'm going to go back over to uploads, click it, and I'm going to choose another picture, which I think I'm going to choose this one here with her sitting down. All right, so we're gonna go over, we're gonna put it in the last D in dad. And you see it came up already looking really amazing, but I still wanted to make it a little bigger and closer. So I'm just gonna drag it up a little bit and position her face so that it will be inside of the frame of the D. Okay, you can go over this side, which I might like it over here. Let me see how this looks. Okay. Now I like it over here, but on this side, to me, it's bare. So I'm just gonna bring it over here and see how I like it over here on this side. So you just position it and fix it the way that you want to. That's one thing about designing. It's yours and you fix it the way that you want to fix it that looks right for you. Okay. And if you are selling these, if you are making this to sell, make sure that you do it the way that your client or your customer wants you to do it. All right. So this is nice. Also, let me try another way. Let me see if I can get more into the frame. Let me see if I can do the middle of it. Now, y'all, I like this. I like this. Okay. Even though it's not, let's see. I want to try to get more of her. Well, you may not be able to do it, but just as long as part of her face is in there and I'm able to get her hands. Do y'all see how this look? So I absolutely love this. This is so amazing to me. So this is how you go ahead and use this dad template with the drag and drop. You can use any pictures that you want. You can use your daughter's pictures, your son picture. You can use a combination of both pictures. You can use whatever pictures that you want. I chose my kids because um, my husband is their dad. So this one I'm going to be making the dad a Tumblr for him, as well as the other one that I have on my website, which is the t-shirt bundle. We're going to come back and we're going to be making t-shirts also. And I want to make sure I show you that. All right. So what I want to do, I just want to go ahead and make sure that I group all of this back together, because once you group it back together, it's just like that. And you want to group together when you get ready to put it on your Tumblr. Okay. All right, so when you get this, it will be grouped together. So all you have to do is just ungroup it and go ahead and put the pictures in the way you want to, or you can have it ungroup and put the pictures in and then group it. So however you want to do it, it's completely and totally up to you. But this is what I wanted to show you. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, because I would love to have you a part of the Ieasha Design It family, where we do sublimation, we do vinyl, we do a little bit of everything over here, and I'm going to show you how to do it. All right. You all have an amazing day. Come back on Thursday, because I will be printing this out and showing you how to put this on a tumbler so that you can have something amazing for dad. Okay. So make sure you go over to my website. The website is in the description box below. Make sure you go ahead and grab this template as well as the other template that I have over there. And you all have a great day. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.